India's amazing journey from receiving food aid to a country that prides itself in running one of the world's largest food-based safety nets that now covers over 1 billion people has absolutely massive learnings for other countries around the world. The study trip provided a vibrant platform for participants to learn from India's expertise and explore innovative solutions for addressing common challenges within food systems. The spectrum of stakeholders with whom the participants interacted ranged from ministers to beneficiaries on the ground.
The most impressive part for me, what I saw during my visit was the resourcefulness of all the parties, using accessible, somehow like simple solutions such as the GPS tracking, AI boosted CCTV, use for the warehousing for theft, infestation control purposes. Very like solutions that we are really sort of aware of, but we haven't been bringing them to WFP.
I think one of the success factors I see in the building of the trusting partnership with the government cannot be done with us changing every year or every couple of years. It really is a dedication of the staff here who have made a big difference. I think to fundamentally accompany the government also through the change. I think that's really the key. And so for me, it's the major takeaway is how do we also build the capacity of my team to be able to accompany, to learn from the experiences, also to accompany the government to position WFP ultimately in partnership position. I think it's really quite key.
I think one of my highlights was also just meeting with the farmers at a society organization, and just getting a sense of their reality. I just love when they're able to harvest well, when they're able to make a profit, and the system that the government established with support of WFP is making sure that, or is supporting that those farmers really are able to make a good living there. Having a good life. Yeah.
A key learning for me is to see how well the India Country Office and the Indian government together has developed a robust business process, and at each level of the business process has developed technologies. And it's also nice to see how the different technologies speak to each other. The capacity in India from every level, just people are so switched on and they're so excited to do what they're doing, and they just really take so much pride in their work at every level that we see.
Well, I can see how the engagement of stakeholders at the subnational level, at the state level, the ownership of the projects, the strong leadership that they have, the commitments, the entire CCS. I can see it's working really well. Even I see this can be one of the models that the region should learn.
These reviews will give you certain level of understanding, but qualitative findings and through one-to-one discussion and interactions will enhance the understanding of the operations and also the performance of any initiatives. Like for example, the PSL, Public System Labs, that alone reading will not give the complete picture of the PSL. So interaction one-to-one will definitely give a different kind of a fulfilled, comprehensive picture of the PSL operations. So that way the one-to-one learning or the exposure visits will help to improve our exposures.
What stood out for me was the positivity in all the people. Whether we met the beneficiary at the grain ATM, happy to receive her grain, to the fair price store manager, to the warehouse manager in Odisha, to the director. Everybody had a clear mission. Everybody understood what they are doing and why they are doing it. They showed incredible hospitality. I can't say at any one point that anybody raised an issue or a challenge that they faced. And if that was discussed, it was together with a solution.